In today's video, I will show you how to add a header in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want. Adding a custom header is a great way to brand your survey with your organization's name or logo, which makes it look much more professional and increases response rates. Once you are inside, click on the Look and Feel tab on the left side panel, and then click on General. From here, scroll down until you see the header section, and click inside the text box to type out the header you want. If you want to customize it even further, click on the Edit button located right below that header option. This opens a rich text editor where you can easily change the font, adjust the text size, or even bold your text to make it stand out. Once everything looks good to you, click on Save. You will then see a real-time preview of how your brand new header looks on both a PC and a mobile screen, ensuring it scales perfectly for all respondents. Finally, if you are completely happy with the preview, click on Apply at the bottom to lock in your changes. And that's it. That's how you add a header in Qualtrics.